welcome to part 5. Nice. Of my tutorial where I will teach you how to make the equip system. Yeah. So like, as you can see here, damn, that's loud as hell. Yeah, so here, as you can see, if I press the button equip here, it's gonna equip. So what's going on when I press this button? Okay, can this load, please? Okay, never mind. Yeah, so as we know, our table is as such. We have a column that has our equipped item, the ID of our equipped item. So basically, when we, oh man, basically when we click equip, right, it just changes the equipped item ID to be the ID of this item. Yeah. So of course, when we do so, this is gonna need to it's gonna need to check that we own the item first of all, and the item even exists. So here we're gonna check, we're gonna execute this statement, right? Okay, this is the usual. If we're already logged in, I mean if we're not logged in, it's gonna send us to login because we can't equip anything if we're not even logged in. So connects cursor. So we need to get our lam coin and the name of our equipped item because we're gonna left join items and match it on this equipped item ID to match the equipped item ID to the item ID of the item. Yeah. So we're gonna put in our username because we need to make sure that the item that we're trying to look at, the equipped item we're trying to look at, belongs to this user in the first place. So fetch one because the user is distinct. And then we're gonna check. So okay, so this is the item. Again, in this page, we have a hidden input that has the key, which is the name of the item, right? And then we have, okay, well, if the key isn't one of the equipped items, as in it's not the equipped item, then it'll show an equip button. Otherwise, it'll say unequip. Yeah. So once we check, we're gonna check that this item, right, the equipped item, the currently equipped item, matches the item that we're trying to quote unquote equip. So if they match, that means we're trying to unequip it because it needs a toggle. If it's already equipped, right? It's already equipped. Uh, if it's already equipped, right? We want to make it not equipped. If it isn't equipped, we want to make it equipped. So here we're gonna check that the item we're trying to do something with matches the equipped item. So if it matches the equipped item, that means we're trying to unequip it. So we'll update the users, set the equipped item to be null, and then make sure that we're updating where the username is, this, and then we have to commit the changes. Else, if it doesn't match, that means we're trying to equip a different item. That means we're gonna check all our bought items, all of the items that we have. This is gonna be the same. This is gonna be the same query as the index, right? The bought items is the same query, and then we're gonna make it so um, found is false, item ID is none. So we're gonna make sure. So we're gonna start iterating through all the bought items, and then for each row in the bought items, it's gonna be a tuple of tuples because it's a fetch all. And then if row one, which is item name, matches this the item that we're trying to click on, then we found the item. So basically we found the item in the items that we own, and then we can set our item ID to be the ID of the item, and then found to be true. So if it's found, we'll just if it's found, we'll update it. We'll update the users table, set the equipped item to be the ID of the new equipped item, and yeah, and then we'll commit the changes. However, if it's not found, we don't care. We'll just, we'll just send it to, we just send the user back to the original page without doing anything. So for example, let's just change this, right? Change this value to be complete gibberish. And then I'm gonna try to equip this and nothing's gonna happen. Yeah. So, yeah. And then after everything has been checked, right, we're gonna close the connection. And yeah, we'll redirect them back to index. Yeah, redirect them back to index, which is the shop page. Um, yeah, that's about it for the item equipment mechanism.